This is the Dunkin' Donuts Original Blend Medium Roast Coffee, and it tastes awesome. Very easy to use too, and it is compatible with Keurig K-Cup pod machines. So I'm going to put my cup right there, put the coffee pod in, and then close it just like that. And then I'm going to pick my coffee cup size. I'm going to click medium. And there it goes. And it smells so good. And there you go. There's my cup of coffee. And now my favorite part is to sip. So good, so robust, and so hot too. Love it. Thanks so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.